Alt plus Shift plus R. So this video is based on the Fibonacci series as well the sum of series value. So in Java you have to import package if you need to enter the limit. So importing java.io, then class declaration, after that the main method adding here with rows exception, then buffer reader to input the limit, and here the prompting message given, and after that this statement will take the value from the keyboard during execution time, and here I declare three variable a, b to show or express the initial value for Fibonacci series, and s equal to 1 I used here, not 0. Why? Because a and b if I will add then it will make 1. So the two initial values sum will be 1, I already stored in s, and after that I am printing here the first two values of Fibonacci series. Then I use the loop to perform as many times we need to display the result, and there we are finding the Fibonacci series value by adding the two consecutive numbers and printing the next value of Fibonacci series, and after that I am adding here the series value. So s equal to s plus c will add the Fibonacci series value and swapping here to perform the consecutive addition. So in this way you are able to show or display series as well sum, but I am printing the sum value outside the loop. Why? If you write the print statement inside loop, then it will display the sum of each the step value. So we need to display the final sum value. That's why we write the print statement outside the loop. And in print statement I use \ny because I'm printing series on the same line. So before printing the sum we need to change the line, that's why I use here \n and then printing s. So in this way you find series steps value and printing the value. Now execution step. So first you type the compilation step, and after that you type the printing step like Java Fibonacci underscore sum, and then it will ask for the limitation. I will put here 10, and then it will display series as well the sum of series. So in this way you are able to create the Fibonacci series with their sum. Thank you.